Guys, welcome back to the course. Okay, now we are in the next module of the training. Okay, so guys, in this module I'll be taking you guys on how to create your Fiverr account. Guys, it is very important to listen to what I'm going to tell you in this module, because account creation on Fiverr is very important. So you don't just come to Fiverr and create any account you want. There are different type of account on Fiverr. Okay, so now it is important for us to understand that we have buyers account on Fiverr and we have sellers account on Fiverr. Now sellers account are the account that me and you will be creating to offer a lot of service on Fiverr. Okay, while buyers accounts are the account that people create just to get service on Fiverr. That is basically the difference. But with that said, but it is very important to also understand that we also have another type of account, which is the personal account and the brand account. Now when we're talking about personal account are the account that you create to offer different kind of service. Okay, for example, you can be offering logo design, you can be offering graphics work, at the same time be offering article writing, at the same time be offering website traffic. Okay, you'll be offering tons of service in a personal account. But in a brand account simply means you're specifying in a particular niche. That is basically what the brand account is. If you are for logo design, you keep on doing logo design. If you are for graphics, if you are for website development, you keep on doing website development. That is just different between the two accounts. So now to create our account of Fiverr, just come here to the header of the official website of Fiverr. Just go to www.fiverr.com and then click on the join. So it will bring up a form for you, and I'm sure everybody has email. If you don't have, just go and create one. That is straightforward. So put your email right here and click on enter. Click on enter. So now I said personal account and brand account the other time. Now this place that says username, that is where you are going to put either, if you want to design if you want to open a brand account, make sure you put the name of the brand. And then if you want to open a personal account, you can put the name. Make sure you also put the personal account there. But for the sake of this story, I will just put it as Fiverr course _11 112. And then sometimes it can tell you that the username is taken. Just make sure you look for the username that is not taken. Okay, just look for the username that is not taken. 01. This one is also taken again. Oh my god. 99. Okay, you know what? I'll just put it as Fiverr course 11. So this one is available. Okay, so just put your password over here. Sorry guys, be very sure that the password you're going to put is the password that you remember. Make sure it's the password that you remember, so that you will not forget that, because that can actually create a problem for you. Once you create your account, you can never change your username again. Just put that in mind. Just make sure you know the username you're going to be using when creating your account. Now our account is fully created. Now we are inside our account. Can you see from this place it says Fiverr course 11? Can you see that this is the username of your account? This is the username of the account here. That is the username. Okay, and then this is okay, let me just save this. And this, if you click on this little thing over here, this is your the right hand side. So this is where you can see your profile, dashboard, and other settings on Fiverr. Now when you create your account on Fiverr, now it will tell you to verify your account. Can you see it said Fiverr course 11? You need to activate your account. So let us go back to our Gmail. So to verify our account, they will have sent us a confirmation message to our Gmail. That is where we are going to verify our account, and after the verification, then our account is fully and ready to run. Okay, so now let's just wait for that to load up, and I'll be showing you the next thing to do. So guys, let's wait for that to load up. So now can you see this is actually the message they sent for you: activate your new account. I just click on that and let us activate our account. Just click on that. So let's wait for that to load up. It's loading. Let's wait for that. Okay, so now got it. So now we have, you're almost there. Just confirm your email. Just click on this thing that says activate your account. Just click on that, then to open another tab for you, and it tell you your account has been fully activated. So when that is done, then your account is fully and ready to run. So can you see account successfully activated? Hey, this is a great time to edit your profile. So guys, we are actually done creating our account. So this account I actually created is just for this course alone. So that is why I said you have to be very conscious of what you're going to be putting in the username, because the username, once you create your account, you cannot change the username again. So it is very important for you to know whether it is a brand account you're going to be creating or a personal account. Okay, so this account is just for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, I'll actually be showing you my other account, and I'll show you the username I actually use to create them. Okay guys, so that will be all for this module. In the next module, I'll actually be showing you guys how to create a seller account using this account that we created. This account that we created right now is a buyer account, because this account is a buyer account that has not yet been positioned as a seller account. Okay, this is just a buyer account. Okay, so now in the next module, I'll actually be teaching you guys how you can basically create your seller account. Thank you very much guys, stay blessed.